So we took this whole campus that was an old stove manufacturing plant, turned it into basically where we're manufacturing leisure. So that's everything from restaurants to bars to gyms and fitness. We've added this whole thing so that this place feels like a village and it feels like you can come here and leisure. And now that we have all these restaurants open and we have everything spaced for social distancing, indoor and outdoor, this has become a great place for lunch, a place where you can get away, where you can have a leisurely lunch, or you can pop in. It's kid-friendly, it's adult-friendly, and you can find anything you want here.
So Fresco Grill is a Mediterranean restaurant. We're a very fast pace. We're still making food like the traditional way. You can choose a bowl or a wrap, and then we can make you some really delicious, authentic food. What we're specialized in is our shawarmas. We have a chicken or a beef version. We also have a vegetarian falafel, which is very, very good. We have different bases to choose from, 5 different salads. We have 5 different spreads between cilantro hummus, spicy hummus, traditional, a bunch of vegetables you can choose from. Everything's made in-house every day, so that's very important. If you're looking for authentic Mediterranean food, but you don't want to have a sit-down restaurant, we're perfect for you guys. It's a come-in place. You can come spend 5 minutes. You enjoy the rest of your day. The food's going to be authentic. It's going to be fresh. It's going to be delicious, and it's very healthy for you. So I think Fresco Grill is a perfect alternative for Huntsville.
It's Southern regional barbecue with a twist, and the twist is that our sides are more homemade, just real good Southern, fantastic sides. Another twist is that we make brisket every day. I spent some time in Texas in my career, and a friend of mine used to compete on the barbecue circuit out there, taught me how to make brisket. Fell in love with it, and we bring it here. There's a lot of great chains in the area. Most of those chains don't smoke on site. I think it's important to do that. So at all of our locations, we've got a smoker. You get the smell, it creates the ambiance when you walk in that door, it's mouth-watering, and I think that makes a big difference. I see Stovehouse kind of as an outdoor food court. You can bring a group of 10 people and everybody can get pretty much what they want without any whining and gnashing of teeth and I don't want to go here. And then poorhouse for alcohol if anybody's inclined to do that. So it's just a win.
I love the idea of being the center of the food garden here at Stovehouse. Poorhouse has the Rooftop Bar. Inside the bar is the first round bar, or one of the first round bars in Huntsville. The thing about Stovehouse, the thing about this campus is it's open all day. And I think a lot of people think about music and, I'm going to go there in the evening and have a drink and listen to a band, but we're open for lunch. We open at 11 as well as Poorhouse opens at 11. So you can get a great glass of wine. We have Chianti on the menu, which pairs beautifully with our Italian food. We have pastas, we have sandwiches, salads. I personally think the sky's the limit. I think there's going to be a lot of growth in the area. I think Stovehouse is ready for it. I think they're almost before their time. And just the whole idea of having a food garden with multiple food concepts. We want people when they come here to really feel comfortable and have something to eat, have something to drink, go shopping, and just enjoy this as an experience. Stovehouse is an experience.
We are a high-intensity training studio. We do 45-minute workouts, both cardio and resistance. 2 trainers per class, so they're there to guide you, and of course everything's at your own pace. So while you're here, it's really cool to look around the room and see that there's all levels of fitness, from the absolute newbie to the seasoned pro. What we relate it to is we're personal training just in a group environment. So you're gonna see the same results here, but with the group environment, you're not only getting a better rate, but you're also getting the competitive edge of it. You're getting the camaraderie and kind of the family environment, and we really are just building a community for you. We're excited to be at Stovehouse. It's a really great opportunity for someone like us to be a part of kind of a lifestyle destination. We bring the fitness aspect to the food, the drinks, the events, the music, the camaraderie. So there's a lot going on here. And I always say the hardest part of working out is just putting on your shoes and getting out the door. And so once you can make it here, there's just a lot that you can unlock on this side of town. I think this is really going to be a staple of Huntsville and for everyone's lifestyle.